How to fix Snapchat common problems easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat, and when you click on the Snapchat app, now it will take you to this page. It's the app informations page. Click on data usage, make sure to enable all the options right here. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, and now click on the power usage details. Enable the power consumption alert and click down here on force stop. Now turn off your phone, turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.